Okay, today we are testing a 2WB smoke detector made by System Sensor. There are two ways to test the smoke detector. The most preferred way is to test it in the manner in which it was intended. We are going to smoke it. We have artificial smoke, that brand, today. I'm going to stand about 2 feet away and blow into it and stop, and I'll let it analyze. The other way is to press the manufacturer's test button. We're not going to do that because we're waiting for the smoke detector to actually detect the smoke. There goes our detection, showing an alarm. We'll go ahead and we'll hit the acknowledge with silence. I will press this now, indicating an instant alarm. It does go off at the control panel.